You're in luck. Of course, you are all familiar with performing and interpreting the urinalysis, but I'm sure many of you could review the ins and outs of the chemistry strip, finding out which reaction pads are reliable to use in veterinary medicine, and perhaps equally as important, those are not reliable in veterinary medicine. We'll also talk about key concepts of the urine sediment analysis. I'll discuss some of the newer technology that provides an automated analysis using computerized microscopy and artificial intelligence to provide further and more sensitive diagnostic information. Can you imagine not having to do the tedious chore of reading a urine sediment at the scope anymore? Please join me for the importance of the complete urinalysis. You may not know what you're missing. We'll have fun reviewing real cases together and challenging your diagnostic skills. Hope to see you online.